Are you seeing the registration module DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we get into the manual guide for registration module, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the registration module, a generic naming convention used by numerous proprietary applications, from specialized CAD tools to office suites, to store localized registration or activation handshakes. If missing or corrupted, the host app will demand reactivation or refuse to launch, reporting that the license module could not be initialized. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Unlike system-wide DLLs, registration module DLL is unique to the localized licensing orchestration environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the registration module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Safety first. Never attempt to replace registration module DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your registration module environment. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter registration module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.